What's up, guys? Alright, so what I'm doing right now, I'm about to do an album cover and I'm erasing the background out. What I usually do to do this is I erase around the person. Accidentally added a letter on in the middle and have those two. It has the edges of the background erased off all the way around. Sometimes I go back and see it when I change the background. Gradient map, like I said, just move them around, play around with. Song title white and the features of the song, we're gonna make them gold too. Kind of have like a symmetry to the colors, you know, the gold on the left, the gold on the right, the white in the middle. You want to be uniform with everything you do. But I appreciate it for tuning in, guys. Y'all have a good day.